Hello, good day everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. God bless you all. Happy Sunday to you all. Happy Mother's Day. God bless you all. If today is your first time see this my channel, if today is your first time meeting this my YouTube. Today is your first day of visiting my house. God bless you. Please, if you finish this today topic, please. If you finish watching today's topic, please subscribe, like, share it out. Okay? God bless you all. Okay, today I have some topic. I have a topic that I want to say. I will have something that I want to say to you people. My lifestyle, what I'm doing. That's what I want to give you people today. Little of it. I will show you people, okay? Okay, I wan come tell you now. Say e get some business when I dey do, online business. Who never know am, contact me. Might give you more details, which is very simple business when I dey do. Everybody can do it. Even though say you go school, you no see the broken when I dey speak now. You no go school, you fit do am. Na very simple business. I don dey into this business since 8 months. You understand? So this business have already changed my life. I've already changed everything about me. That make me come and say, my come tell una about the business. This business now eat and speak. You don't need to get money to start am. Now understand? Another one you bring come today. I just say my lifestyle, my see give us some little things about my life. My sis come follow una share and wetin I dey do. You understand? My sis come follow una share and some people never know. 8 months ago, me no see no. Na person see introduce am to me. I try am. The thing good for me. It work for me. So if you see there we never know the type of business when I dey talk now, inbox me. They no dey use money start am. Now with your phone. If you get Facebook, share your friends. Invite them. They should come. More you have, more people, more your money is getting bigger. This business now bring 3 people. 3 people where you go bring, they will give you your money. You will see the take good care of yourself. You dey take the vitamin. You no need to eat belle full, go bed. You no need to eat in the morning. Say you dey eat before you know, you don't eat everything wey dey house finish. No, you no need to dey eat like that. Because your immune system not dey balance. Now make you dey eat anyhow like that. Some people just dey eat anyhow. Try, make una no dey eat anyhow. Try. Make you come balance your immune system, come balance your body. Come balance, give yourself the right vitamin. Give yourself the right food. You know, see some people, January to December, na carbohydrate na they eat. January to December, they go eat carbohydrate. Rice na carbohydrate, fufu na carbohydrate, bread na carbohydrate. Everything wey they eat na carbohydrate. Sometimes your body need vitamin. Now you go see, say some people before small thing they sick because their body no get vitamin, no get defense. Wey go take defend itself. You don't get. So Mona come, I go show una how they take to do the business, and you say they take good care of yourself. You they take vitamin. Una where they stay where sun all day. Una know so una they lack vitamin. Some people don't dey 20 years, they never go house, and the day where cold day, that heat calefacción, what they call her, heat I want they heat every day for inside our body, which is very bad though. Now the heat and later na bone come dey pay una as una dey grow, they go. Age they go, you say, my body they pay me, which don't come, which not come. Oh. Now you don't get vitamin for body, not be everything which they do. Which don't even suffer yourself For the lie wey they laugh for their head. Wish don't suffer. When they get a lie for wish head every time I wish you, mama, oh, this one a lie. Your body need vitamin. So people, they don't know what to be vitamin. Before small sickness, so your corner, they will say, "Eh oh, you're sleeping, I can wake up. Oh, we not know when she kill him. Oh, no, your body don't give you signs is there. Some people go get high blood pressure. They know. High blood pressure, they bring headache. Go they give you sign. You know, go know you're going to take paracetamol. You say, "Na so headache they worry me. Now your tension high. It too high. You understand? So I'm gonna try. Wanna contact me and I go show you how to do it. If you don't want to do the business, take good care of yourself. They take vitamin the way they do it for my children. I'm doing the business and I'm taking good care of myself. If you go outside now, you don't go fear. Say all this corona way they go everywhere now, you don't go fear because now body way not get strong defense. Now they cash. No be say they boast. Your body no vitamin, meaning carbohydrates is there. Small thing catch you, it go enter, it go flow enter, it go say here, no too much things will go kill us, more quickly enter. So you need to protect yourself. This life don't change. Things don't change. Business don't fold. Wait till everybody they do now. Online business. Come and join us. And this one when they do soon, I know they stress you. Since you get friends, you can do it. Every day people they call you. Every day people they say, see you as they complain to you, tell them say go take this vitamin. As they take, and if you work for them, they go look for you. They tell people they go. As they tell people, more that they bring people, more that they gain, more that person see they gain. Your commission they big. More people they buy. Not be you they say, you know go say. We know they say. We they tell people, we they do advert. We tell people, go and take good care of yourself. When they take, your money will come your account. On Monday now, tomorrow now, I'll receive my money. You understand? And you can't get time freedom. You can't get freedom for everything. You're there, your house, carry your children, go school. You will go church. You can't get freedom because this job, they do this government job, you know, they make you get time as a mother, you know, they get time. You know, they get time, drop children the money, they rush, they go. You must work. You understand? To support your husband because it's very good to support. It's very good to bring support at home. Not be only the man, not fit carry all of una. 5 children. Ask the man take carry all of una. One killer. You even self not come they happy, you know they shine. Your door, thickness will kill you. Only one income they call house. Extra income. Plan B. Now be waiting I they introduce to una now. Wanna come join. Come. If government don't give you money, no problem. You don't want to stress yourself, but take vitamin. You have to buy the vitamin for your children. No stress because you get the money. No stress. For me, money not the money not they reach me. For me like more. More they come, more I need them. You understand? I need more. They tell me say they you'll see enter. If I fit do one, if I not fit do one, come out. So now be the thing. So now say my just come today. You know, say for year no, I they do everything for my page. For this, my YouTube, everything. Now just surprise one day now, just come see they preach. So I they do everything. I can do everything here. You understand? I feel this you feel come now, say now something I can't see they say now because this is my YouTube. I do what I like here. So now make me just say my lifestyle. I should come. My see tell now. Some people see they ask me, are you working? Are you do this? Now come say my just say come see tell now. The small tea when I tell they see they receive extra income. Since where everywhere don't lock. Now you don't say when you marry for Spain, they know they give you anything again. If your husband they work, government you know they reach your hand. So with this, I did my house now. I can't see jump this business for this lockdown since 8 months now. Now they jump this business. So this business is helping me. It's helping me to bring extra income to my house. So come and join us. Inbox me. I will put you through. It's a very simple business. No lie. You don't sell. You know they put money. Any business where they tell you say come put money, audio money, not do. Not do. You don't put money, you buy your product. As me buy my own, they take book of myself, my children they take, and me they take. Then I'll they tell people say, see what here they take, because if they come see me say they maintain my weight, I know the fat pass, I know the sleep go down, they maintain her. Before, if I know they work, if you see as how they eat, eh? If you see as how they eat, because I don't know whether I'm nervous when I stay house, because I know they used to stay house, or they eat anyhow. But now, with this product, it will make your system to balance. E no go make you need dey eat anyhow. E no go, because your body sometimes hunger no dey beat you. Your for that nerve, your dey with this one. If you see vuzu sef, you give dem throway face, give your children make dem eat. You throway face, you no hungry. Na water you dey drink. So God bless you all. Inbox me. This is another new topic, beautiful topic. Inbox me, then I will put you through, okay? If you know today is your first time, please, my brothers and sisters, my new subscriber, my returnees, please help me to share this video, subscribe. God bless you the way you do it. God will bless that your hand in Jesus' name. Thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you very much for being a supporter to me. Thank you very much for helping me to grow my page. God bless you all, my brothers and sisters. You know, when you do for me, God will always do for you. You understand? Try and be happy people. Okay? When you help people, God will help you too. People will all be helping you. You will all be thinking, why are they helping me? Because it's your good. Because what you are doing. Okay? God bless you all. I love you all. Stay blessed. Try and subscribe. Oh. Ciao.